Hello everyone, this is Dirk, and today I make a video up on a special request of a subscriber. He wanted to make an investment and he asked me to review cloud mining companies because he thought that cloud mining could be still profitable. Well, after the Blockreward Halving, we know that miners receive only 50% of what they used to get. Now, of course, a lot of miners disconnected their machines and now the rewards have to be splitted by less people. But still, is it profitable? I will put a link in the description below of all the companies that I reviewed, so if you want to hop into details you can, but I'll give you a summary right away. Currently there are absolutely no cloud mining contracts out there that are profitable for you. With every single one you would lose money. You cannot see this as an investment, it is simply a big loss. Or even worse, there are even scams out there. So there is nothing that I can recommend. And YouTubers who are giving recommendations and referrals are doing this only to exploit their subscriber base in order to make money to get another referral fee. And this is simply not right. So without further ado, let's hop into that. So we have roughly another 4 years till the next Blockreward Halving. The market goes slightly down, it's more of a side trend currently. The Bitcoin dominance is down, we have only 64.7%, that means some altcoins have gained momentum. And currently the price is at $9,490. We are still above the 200-day moving average and above the EMA ribbon, which are really strong indicators for a bull market. And all the other signs are set for a buy or even a strong buy, short term and long term. So everything looks good here, and now let's hop into our analysis. Is there anything out there that would make sense when it comes to cloud mining contracts? So the first company that I reviewed was CCG Mining, and in order to get 100 terahash mining power you would have to purchase 4 of their pro plans. That costs $7,963. I didn't even bother to deduct the maintenance fees or anything else. There was also no indicator of any electric fee. I even tried to read through the fine print, couldn't find it. You would make 0.000938 Bitcoin a day, and that again is about 0.33768 Bitcoin a year. That translates in today's price in $3,207. So this is how much you would make. And considering that a plan costs you almost $8,000, you would lose $4,750. Forget about this. The next company is even worse because they don't disclose anything unless you sign in, and I don't do that. I think if somebody cannot be open and honest about their prices, they have something to hide or to conceal, and I'm not even diving into that. It's a no-go for me. Hashing 24, no recommendation. Hashflare. So all of their plans were sold out, so they do not offer anything right now. Then let's just forget about it. So now let's check out Hashfox. The best plan that you can get here is 60 terahash per second, and it costs you $2,700. The duration is 1 year and 6 months. In this time you make about 0.340 Bitcoin. That translates in today's market in $2,888. Now if you deduct from that your initial fee of $2,700 plus the electricity fee of $605, you lose $416. No point of investing here. Genesis Mining. Strange thing is that 104 terahash per second costs less than 100 terahash per second. The duration of this plan is for 30 months and it costs you $4,969. You make in this time about 0.35135 Bitcoin, which translates into $3,335 minus the maintenance fees, $1,123. that leaves you with $2,212 minus the plan costs will give you a loss of $2,557 whopping dollar. Rockminer. Now I have personally experience with Rockminer because I fell for a recommendation of Altcoins Daily. Aaron said it would be worth checking it out and it would be good. And so I purchased a contract with Rockminer based upon this recommendation, and I lost 45% of my investments. And on this point, I would like to say that it is absolutely not okay for YouTubers to exploit their audience in order to gain something, to make a little referral fee, taking willingly, easily in account that they are losing money. I don't think it's okay. And I think every YouTuber has a responsibility to do a little bit more of digging and research before putting recommendation and referral links down there. Anyway, let's hop into Rockminer. The best plan here is a 360-day plan, costs you $1,688, and it's for 100 terahash. They also deduct on a daily basis a maintenance fee of 5%. So instead of daily getting your 0.00938 Bitcoin, you would get only 0.008911 Bitcoin a day. After deducting your 5% maintenance fee, you will end up with 0.32 Bitcoin per year. And now you have to translate this into $3,047. You deduct the cost of this plan, $1,688. You deduct the electricity fee of $1,944, and you end up with a loss of $585. On top, there is no evidence that here is real cloud mining happening, because you don't see any miners connected to any pool. Nothing. They don't show you hash rates. They show you absolutely nothing. They constantly keep rising their withdrawal fees that come on top of this, and they have pretty hefty fees. So I cannot recommend Rockminer at all. Let's hop into Bitdeer. I have personally also experiences with Bitdeer, and I can tell you that from all the companies out there, Bitdeer is the only legitimate cloud mining company that I found. They really connect miners to pools, and you can pick the pool where the miner should be connected. You can see on a daily basis their hash rates and everything. So it is legit. This is the only positive I can say about this. You can see that my plan would be still running, but I don't pay for power anymore since the Blockreward Halving, because the electricity would cost me more than I would actually earn. So there's no point in feeding them and giving them extra money. Let's hop into their prices. So the most efficient plan which is out there is only this one here with the Antminer S19, and 360 day 100 terahash would cost you $681, which sounds reasonable. So on top, they charge, of course, some fees. It is a computing fee and it is an electricity fee. So when you sum it up, you have $6.63 on costs per day. That makes $2,387 per year, plus the plan costs $681. So you have $3,067.80 in expenses. The plan makes you 0.33768 Bitcoin a year, and that translates in $3,207.96. So you would end up with a profit whopping $140. But here's the thing. I constantly had to deal with maintenance breaks and power outages. So you would make this $140 only if things go really, really well, which they don't. Their customer service is lousy, and I would say it is still absolutely a no-go. $140 over the course of a year is just not enough to justify any investment, because it is too much of a headache. If you want to make money, if you want to really invest in something, then pick an asset that has the potential to grow over time. Buy Bitcoin directly or purchase gold. Do something where you have the control over it, and don't trust others with your money because they will likely take advantage of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for that, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.